Put your hands behind your back for us.
There you go. Just relax. Nope.
The star of today's video is going to be Mr. Donovan Sowers, although a monkey does make an appearance. On June the 2nd, 2023, officers with the Columbus Division of Police were responding on a call of shots fired when they were advised over the radio of the suspect vehicle description.
9190. Got flagged down by a neighbor down here. They said they just saw the golden Sandy SUV go westbound steel from Ogden. I didn't see it, and I'm not in a place where I can get my cruiser to go try and follow it. Westbound steel. Copy, possibly westbound steel from Ogden.
The officers located the vehicle, and Mr. Sowers was sitting in the back seat. During the interaction with the police, Mr. Sowers made a series of poor decisions that made his life uncomfortable. During the course of their investigation, the officers gathered enough information to charge Mr. Sowers with improper handling of a firearm, discharging a firearm, and 2 counts of felony assault. Please enjoy the show.
How many's in there? Is that a monkey in the back?
It is a monkey.
How many people's in it? 4 people? How many adults? Just you? The rest are kids? Okay. Roll the window down. Can you roll the window down? No? How old are you, partner?
For me?
Yeah.
18.
18? You ever been arrested before?
Yes, I have.
What for?
I actually caught a case back in a couple of weeks ago.
For?
No, not a couple of weeks ago, like a year ago. It was for improper use of a firearm motor vehicle.
Okay. This is what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to have you step out. Once you step up here, keep your hands where I can see them. Step out. You have any weapons on you?
What's going on here?
Well, I'll tell you here in a second. Spread your feet. Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
No, sir.
All right. Come back with me.
You don't have to jerk me like that.
There, I'll keep a hold of him. It isn't info. Are there any weapons in the vehicle? Come back with me. Yeah, we're making the label later.
I'll
keep a hold of him.
I'm not doing nothing.
Get ready on you, man.
Doing
Just relax.
nothing. Please
Relax.
don't try
Relax.
to kill me, bro. I didn't
What
do
are
nothing.
you doing, dude? You got your ID on you, man?
Bro, please, bro, please.
You got your ID on you, man?
Do nothing, dude.
You got, hey, man, what's your name, buddy?
Bro, my kids are in the car.
Young man, can I get your name, please?
Donovan?
Donovan. D-O-N-O-V-A-N?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it, man. Donovan, what's your last name?
Sowers?
Hey, you want
S-O-W-E-R-S?
to get the monkey?
Can I get the monkey out of the car?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it, man. What's your birthday?
10/28/02.
All right, man.
What's
Just
going on?
We're just investigating some shots being fired, so just take a few breaths, all right? If you got a lighter on you, hit that cigarette. Am I just hanging out
I don't
with
have a lighter.
this? Just chill with this officer right here? I don't have one, man.
Meanwhile,
How old's the monkey?
He's 8 months.
Does he bite? Now?
He's an angel.
What kind of?
I'm not sure.
Okay. How old are you?
17.
17? Yeah, keep a hold of that.
I got a monkey on my shoulder. A monkey on my back. How long have you had it?
About 4 or 5 months.
Of course I know. I know. You want to go back?
Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
Go back tomorrow.
Okay.
You can check it.
And the reason why is because they said a gray or gold one just
Yeah.
drove by.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah,
So-
no worries. Yeah, you can check.
Okay.
You all right?
Your boyfriend? How old are you?
I'm 39.
Okay.
I'm a cougar. What can I say?
I'm not judging. Hi, buddy. You like that? You like that? Huh? My dog's not gonna like you doing that. Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah. Don't push the. Oh no, don't push that one.
Push the buttons.
There you go. Look this way.
Tubbs! Toby! Toby!
Alrighty. Yeah, why don't you step up there? We're going to just go through it real quick,
fine.
make sure. We appreciate your cooperation. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hi, you're a little cutie. Yeah, you are.
A few moments later.
277.
Hey,
No one's stopping him right now.
code 350A. Brother, just go ahead and step off bump for me, man. There we
Put your
go.
hands behind your back for us.
There you go. Just relax.
Big mistake, buddy. Big mistake. Big mistake. All right, give me his arm. Pass it back.
You freaking punched me in the face. He's trying to bite. Stop trying to bite.
You're gonna
Get down.
again.
Get down.
There. All right.
You're gonna get it
You get your cuffs.
I don't know where the hell my cuffs went.
Still out. Fucking hit me again. I got one cuff in. I got one cuff on.
Cool.
Got him. Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right.
I can't breathe.
We'll get you on your side. Should have made better choices 3 seconds ago.
Stop. Donovan.
As you can see on camera, he's hitting his own head.
My hands are dropped. Hey, let's get a hobble. Hey, stop resisting. Donovan.
I didn't do nothing.
Work with us.
I'm innocent.
Donovan.
I'm innocent.
Well,
Let us help you,
I'm
man.
innocent.
Well,
you're
you're
on
making it
camera
work
that you were
there.
hitting us.
Please, man.
Shouldn't have hit us.
Please.
Shouldn't have hit
I
us.
didn't hit you, bro.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. I tried to
It's on
block
camera.
my face.
It's on camera, genius.
You're trying to bite?
No,
You were trying to bite.
no, it wasn't. I bet y'all get sued like y'all Madison got sued.
I'll counter sue.
Donovan, straighten your legs. Hey,
Stop.
Donovan, straighten your legs out.
I can't feel my brain.
That's because you're pounding it off.
No.
Catching him doing
I can't breathe.
Hey, quit. Quit, Donovan.
On my kids, I'm killing myself right now.
No, you're
I'm
not.
killing myself.
No, you're not.
I'm killing myself.
No, you're not.
Donovan, take
I'm
deep
killing
breaths.
myself.
Hey,
I'm killing myself.
No, you're not.
Bro,
My mic right here.
it doesn't have to get bad, brother. It doesn't.
Come on, man.
Help us help you,
I
okay?
want to die, bro.
You can punch
Kill
me in
me,
the face.
bro.
What?
Kill me.
You want to bring that up here?
Kill me.
I punched him.
Kill me. Kill
So
me,
did I.
bitch. Kill me.
I help you with that.
Relax, buddy.
You want to hand me
Kill
that?
Kill me. You always make everything
lift your-
worse.
You got
You're making this worse, dude.
Please, I don't
The
need
heck's
that.
your problem,
I don't
man?
need that, bro.
Well, if he could chill out, that'd be great.
Donovan, you're doing that to yourself, buddy. There's only so much we can
See,
do.
you tried to bite again. Not happening.
Go ahead and sit on those.
Not happening.
Perfect.
I miss my kids already, bro.
We can pick. You say there is a wagon on
Put him on the grass.
Well, there's a hill over there.
We can put him on the grass.
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
76 first.
There we go. Hey, stop.
We're trying to grab, dude. What are you doing, dude? Stop.
Hey, can you give me my camera if it's over there somewhere? Thanks, brother.
Oh, yeah, your gun's right there.
Thank you.
Get that bitch.
Hey, come on.
Relax, buddy.
Well,
Yeah, he's on his side. No problem.
Babe, I need your number. I need your number. Mikey. Mikey.
Every time I'm with you, I get a level.
I know, what the heck, man?
Mikey.
Jeez.
Can you grab my phone out of her back seat, please? Call my nigga, tell him to bomb this bitch right now.
Relax.
My nigga got hella grenade launchers.
Donovan, chill out.
Oh, God.
Chill, buddy.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
You gotta help yourself, man.
I'm gonna
You acting like it doesn't help your case, okay?
You ain't helping, buddy.
Why y'all start acting like that all of a sudden?
Well, you took off running, brother.
Yeah.
When we
Why'd
told
you
you
try
stop,
to
we told you
arrest
were
me,
under
though?
arrest.
You got a warrant, dude.
How'd I get a warrant?
I don't know, it's from 2019. You tell me.
Oh my God, I don't have no warrant from 2019.
You do.
Oh, my kids. What the fuck? I just went to court.
F5 theft.
No, my name's Donovan Sowers. 10/28, 2002. Oh, my kids.
So,
You just falsely arrest me.
no,
Oh,
you got an
my
active
kids.
warrant, buddy.
No, I don't.
Yep.
No, I don't.
And you got some other charges coming.
Mikey, they said I have a warrant from 2019. I just got out of jail. Just got out of jail, dumbasses. They're gonna see that shit.
Yeah, you did.
Well, they're gonna have to shoot me tonight on game.
Yep. Yep.
Yup.
Hey,
You're not spitting.
Nigga.
You're not spitting. Nope. You're not spitting. Nope.
Denzel, I might have a spit shield in my black bag.
Alright, chill.
Somewhere in there.
Chill, I can't breathe.
Then get on your side, then. We'll keep you on your side.
Alright, bro, I'm chilling, my bad, bro.
Try that spitting shit again, dude. We're not having it.
Chill, I promise. I promise I'm good.
Yep.
I promise I'm not gonna spit.
That's all right.
On my kids, I'm not. Please, I need to breathe.
You're able to.
There you go. We're just putting. We can't have you spit at us, Tommy.
I'm not, I swear. I need to breathe, though. Mikey, can you get my phone out her back seat?
All right, Donovan, I'm going to put this over your head so you don't try to bite or spit.
Lift your head up, buddy.
Lift your head up.
Lift your head up.
Lift it up. There you go. Breathe all right.
All right.
Yeah. Check on it.
Let's roll him to the other side. I got to check the right side.
Roll on your other butt.
There we go.
There you go. Just want to put him on the cot. All right, put him on the side here.
Right.
He
You
punched
see
him
this?
3 times.
Get that on
Your
camera.
brother
You
also
see
shot
that?
at someone.
No, he did
Yes,
not.
he did. He admitted to it. He admitted to it, and so did
He admitted
Yes.
to it. Come on, man.
So did his girlfriend. So get that on your video. Why don't you get everything on the video what he did?
Yeah.
What your brother did. Okay?
Fighting
your
with
brother
us.
shot at someone with kids in the car.
Is he beefing with someone or something?
Yes, he's arguing with somebody who his ex-girlfriend's boyfriend shot at him.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because he was saying that they shot you guys first.
yeah,
None of the kids, no one,
yeah.
everyone's okay.
Right. When I pulled over, I saw an empty thing on like one of their bullet things on my runner.
Where was that at? Where's that at?
When up there, but it fell off. It's
Up there or back over
It's
there?
up there.
Like how much further?
Huh?
Like how much
Right
further?
up there.
Do any of you guys live over here, like north of Broad?
No, I don't remember.
So you guys just came over to deal with the beef that he's having with that
Well,
guy?
no, his dad lives over there.
Where's his dad live?
You have to ask him because I don't know the name of the street. Like, I'm not familiar with this area.
So you did you have any knowledge that he was beefing with this person? And
I knew
stuff?
he was arguing with him. Yes. Yeah, because the guy was threatening him the past couple days, and he shot up his dad's house.
Yeah. Who was the guy again that he's beefing?
I have no
No, I mean, what is, like, you said something about his ex-girlfriend?
Yeah, it's his ex-girlfriend's new boyfriend. And he shot at, like, the car that his children was in as well. Like, his children.
When was that?
I don't know.
Today, though.
Oh, I don't know or not.
He said he shot at him today. Shot at you guys.
Yeah, he
You
did.
too. How come you guys didn't call us?
I didn't know what to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Scott's honest answer. I didn't know what to do.